Hello, my name is Chris Torres, and I've been tattooing for 11 years. I've been an artist all my life, and I was the first in Dallas to do the scalp micropigmentation. Create a natural hairline that will match their face, their bone structure. It's another way that tattoos can help heal.
I was diagnosed with alopecia areata when I was 14 years old. Being able to do something that is my choice, it's empowering to me. With the scalp micropigmentation, I love it. It looks just like you've shaved your head, but that you're just getting a little bit of regrowth.
I've been struggling with receding hairline since early 30s. I saw some before and after pictures, and I really liked what I saw. I got a wife for the last 27 years. I like to put some fresh pimping into it, you know?
And it feels good inside to know that I have changed somebody's life. Art has changed somebody's life for the better.